used to call. I come from a Chandigarh, which is equally better than Bangalore. But I was listening in last half an hour. बहुत मजा भी आया. ये रायचंद जी की स्पीच है. एक वर्ड नहीं पड़े इनमें से. और फास्ट बॉलर की तरह स्पीच दे रहे थे. तो काय को बने फास्ट बॉलर बन जाते, हमारे को तो थोड़ी सी इजीनेस हो जाता ना. पकड़ के शुरू से लेके इतना तेज बोल रहे थे. कोई जल्दी है, जाना है कहीं? कहाँ जा रहे हैं? I think this is a great evening. We are going to celebrate. That's what is happening. That's why you called me. I think you done wonderful, Vicky. Great job. Hats off to you. Hats off to everybody. I think you all can clap for yourself. It's not easy to bring a thought in your head and after that you complete that thought with such a fantastic way. I think that's called the vision. सब लोग ऐसे नहीं होते. 99% लोग बिस्तरे में बैठ के बात करते हैं. But the people who take the, leadership and take the start, I think they are the one who are the most important thing. Good luck to you. Good luck to your vision, which you started 40 years back, and today your school, your university, people talk about that. That's more important. I still say sports is very important, but not better than education. If you want to take your country ahead, the education is the base. कई बार तुम क्रिकेटर बन जाते हो, बात नहीं कर सकते, तो what is the use? उसके लिए education is very, very important. I always says, in last few years, people only talk about sports. No. It's important, the education with the sports, you are much better. That's give you the confidence. You can be big player, but if your education is there, you are 1,000 times better. And that's what we should teach them. We should teach the younger people, you have to study hard. She was sitting with me and she said, I don't want to go to the school. I said, no, you must go to the school. The school where you learn. Sports teach you how to win and lose. Business doesn't. Business people can't take loss. Business people can't take loss. They only want to see the profit. But the sports people who do business, they take win and loss in their stride.
My privilege to be present here today to witness the launch of Bangalore Blasters, a team now owned by the Bafna family, as the Navratna Group. Cricket, as you all know, is like a religion in our country. Every second person today, in fact, even ladies, women also, today they play cricket today. And the game is so popular that it is played every nook and corner of every city, every town, every village. And most important thing is the game brings in so much joy, so much happiness that today the IPL, the Indian Premier League, is one of the, I guess, the most popular and the most richest sporting event in the world. Maybe football may just not just ahead, but IPL has its own characteristics and glory. And because of the IPL today, we are seeing so many other Premier Leagues which are coming up. In fact, the Jito League now with 12 teams, I think is going to beginning now, and I feel and I'm quite confident that one day the Jito teams also will be on par, or at least to some extent near to IPL. And the way the teams have been, I can say, selected, that itself goes to a large extent the very important, sincere and committed quality of the Jain community.